So I'm seeing the difference here between transactional relationships and the type of relationships you can have when you adopt this favorite relative positioning.
Yes.
When I hear the word transactional relationships, networking comes to mind.
Yes.
And this is something that's important to any business person. But a lot of people don't get many results from networking. In your experience, what are the common mistakes that we're making?
There's only one mistake that people make in networking. When you go out to network, fundamentally networking is about growing your business or growing a project that you have, and you want help, you want support, you want information, and you want knowledge. And all of that is going to come from one fundamental equation, that people like to support, or people like to do business, or people like to be around people whom they know, like, and trust. Now, if you look at this equation of people who know you, like you, and trust you, the know part is the easiest of the lot. Because in today's day and age, it's very easy for people to come to know you. You can use social media, digital marketing, print your cards, hand it out to people. Now they know you. The other part is trust you. So either you're trustworthy or you're not. It's black and white. And that's again in your hands on how trustworthy you are. Because if you're not trustworthy, end of story. There's nobody around who wants to work with you or do business with you. So the third part, which is like, nobody seems to focus on. Now, nobody is working on likability. So if you create on a scale of 0 to 10 a likability index, and today plot what is your average likability in how you show up, what is your overall affinity level, how you show up with people, and then you start working on improving that likability, then the moment your likability goes 8, 9 on 10, everything that you want from networking just starts flowing to you. So networking and likability, these are correlated. Whatever you do, if the likability index is low, no technique is going to work. And there are so many things people say or prescribe you to do. But at the heart of networking, the engine of networking is likability. And there's not too many things people are doing on likability. Because to do things on likability, you need to transform yourself. And that's not easy. And you're not going to be able to attempt transforming likability unless first you take that up as, I want to work on my likability. The moment you take that on, things will start to work.